Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Telegram not showing contacts. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Let's jump right into the video. So if you want to fix your Telegram not showing contacts, hold on Telegram and tap on that I button. Once you tap on the I button, you will get to this interface. Tap on storage and at the bottom is the clear data. Tap on it and tap on clear cache memory and tap on OK. Once you do this, go to the home page and open up the Play Store. Search for Telegram and make sure that it is updated. If not, update it first, then go to the home page and refresh the app, and that should definitely work. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. Till then, take care, see you next time.